And KK Shailaja, who was praised for her handling of the pandemic as Kerala's health minister, has been left out of the new cabinet of the left-led government. That's what sources have said. The former minister, also known as Shailaja teacher, had won by the biggest margin in recent elections that saw the LDF coalition returning to power, bucking a decades-old tradition of incumbents being voted out.
Well, joining us right now is MLA Shamshi. So, first question: decision on the cabinet which has been taken. Reports on KK Shailaja not being part of the new cabinet.
Yeah, we had formed a new government. Only CM was included in this cabinet. Rest 11 ministers from the CPIM was new. CPIM is new. So it has been the only decision can taken by CPIM. Only our party can take such a decision. So we are bringing new faces. The earlier health minister was Shailaja teacher. She can give advice to the ministers.
Right, but why was a decision like this taken from within the party? I ask you that question for two reasons. One, KK Shailaja was among the ministers who's got a historic mandate in terms of the numbers of votes that she won. And two, for the work that she has been commended across the world. So why was she not part of this new government?
Look, we have given exemptions to few ministers to participate in the election, the last election. Among that, Shailaja teacher and also MM Mani has got more than 60% vote. He is also not a part of the government. That is our party. We are bringing new faces. We are introducing new faces. That is our policy. That's why we had taken such a decision. It's a historic decision. People will stand along with us.
What about merit in terms of the incredible work that was done? And Kerala got a lot of praise for the work that was done, not only by the Kerala government, but even with what KK Shailaja led her efforts with. So at a time when Kerala has been firefighting COVID in ways that has been acknowledged by the world, to not have a woman minister who's been appreciated for her work and with the mandate of the people, isn't as some critics would say, going overboard?
Look, all ministers have performed well in the last election. Look, what about Thomas Isaac? What about G. Sudhakaran? What about the person, E.P. Jayarajan? They didn't contest in the last election. Few among the ministers has contested in this election. We are not bringing back them as a minister. These are party decision. Party is bringing new face. We want to strengthen our party, so we are bringing new faces to the government and also to the party.
So how many women part of this new government?
Yeah, women. There are 2 women there.
In the government or in the CPM?
In the CPIM itself.
In the CPM itself, 2 women.
Yeah.
And all right, well, and how many young people, sir?
Young people, there are a lot of it. It's a blend. Our cabinet is a blend.
What would you say to people who are saying, listen, the LDF government is now becoming extremely autocratic?
Look, you people created a havoc among the people while at the time of election that Thomas Isaac has been excluded, E.P. Jayarajan has been excluded, G. Sudhakaran has been. What happened? People will stand with the party. They know the party. They want to strengthen the CPIM. So they will start along with us.